Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove Capcut watermark in your project or in your templates. So this is for beginner, for dummies, first timer use Capcut. So if you don't have Capcut, you can try to download via Play Store or App Store and search for Capcut. So after you download and install your Capcut, don't forget to create an account, or if you already had a TikTok account, you can synchronize with this Capcut app. So here I want to show you how you can remove Capcut watermark. So you can open your project. Here my short project, there is a Capcut watermark at the end of the video. Here we go. So in order to remove this watermark, you can just tap at the ending. So this is my project or my video, and there is a transition here in order to like from main project into the Capcut watermark. So you can tap on this ending and then completely remove by tap delete button here. Now there is no more Capcut a watermark in your project. This is the first method. There is another method. This is the second method. You can tap on me icon at the bottom of your screen. Now you can tap on gear icon at the top corner of your screen and try to find add default ending on preferences option. Now you can completely turn this off. Discard ending, just tap on discard. So there will no more a Capcut watermark on your project or on your template. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the text button below. See you in the next video.